Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Growth remains at the top of the agenda. That assurance from Finance Minister Favour Williams, who remains at the helm of the country's fiscal affairs. In an interview with TVJ News after the swearing-in ceremony of cabinet ministers, Ms. Williams said there's renewed emphasis on driving economic growth to strengthen long-term development.
We have to look at those sectors that have served us well to see how much more they can do, but we also have to look at new sectors. There's technology that we have not really embraced in the way that it would help us to move the growth agenda. So as you heard the Prime Minister say, our ministries are not our personal domain. We have to embrace working with each other across government to get that momentum going.
This commitment comes as the country continues to benefit from stable macroeconomic conditions, a low unemployment rate, and a rebound in key sectors such as tourism and remittances. Most categories of fuel will increase effective tomorrow. Only 87 gasoline and 90 will decline by $1.60. Automotive diesel will go up by 47 cents, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by 71 cents. Kerosene will cost $1.29 more, while the cost of propane and butane will increase by $4.50. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,987 points today, while the junior market index declined by 9 points. The winners include First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers, A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, G West Corporation, and Stationery and Office Supplies. The losers include Carbon Assurance Brokers, Consolidated Bakeries, Salada Foods Jamaica, Nutsford Express Services, and VM Investments. 16 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.75. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.37. The pound is going for $220.49, while the euro is selling for an average $189.89. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.